Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of December the 28th to January the 3rd. Some of these are going to be done curbside and some of these are going to be done in store. We're also working with a new month over at Walgreens, so there's lots of new digital coupons. So the first couple deals that we're looking at are curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, you're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, and ordering your stuff, paying for it, driving to the store, and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Okay, so the first couple deals we're doing are curbside. You're going to load this new store coupon, which is a 50-cent off of one Walgreens facial tissue. And because it's a Walgreens coupon, you can use it multiple times. These 8 packs of the facial tissues, you know, the ones that you can throw in your purse, they're $1.88. So into your cart, you're going to throw 6 of them for $11.68. Now, to get the math to balance with this digital coupon, we're also going to throw in this. $3.99, and this is a 3-pack, the flat boxes of just the facial tissues. You can't call it Kleenex because Kleenex is a licensed brand of all things. So altogether we have 7 paper products and $3.50 with that coupon melting off. And then just to show you this, $3.50 melting off, and then using the code WAG10, an additional $1.18 melting off with that coupon code. So you're saving a bit more money doing it this way than doing it in store. The overall total is $15.27, $4.68 melting off, just a hint of tax with 64 cents. So the total here is $11.23. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash to throw into this, do it, and you're going to pay $1.23. I don't think it's the worst price, especially if you want to stock up with little paper products with the cold and flu season amongst. We're actually smack dab in the center of it, so it's just a smart buy. The next curbside deal that we're looking at involves this little friend for $3.99. So last month for the Walgreens paper towel or toilet paper, it was $5 and now it's $3.99. We don't have any digital coupons, but we certainly can use coupon codes with this. So 3 of them is $11.97, and this is the cheapest paper that you can get, and it's very similar to Angel Soft, like cheapest at Walgreens this week. So using the code WAG10, you're saving an additional $1.20. So doing this curbside versus doing it in store, it's a $1.20 difference, and I know a lot of us would want to save that. So $11.97 subtracting $1.20 with WAG10, a little bit of tax. It's $11.42 if you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.42. You're having 3 units of paper. If you want to double this and grab 6, if you want to grab both the toilet paper and paper towel, that's an alternative deal. But a lot of us are really trying to stock up on paper, and for $3.99, it's so much cheaper than any other paper that we're looking at in this video. So the Walgreens brand isn't bad either. I've used it in my household for years and years, so not a bad little one. Deal number 3, this is our final curbside one, and we're going to load this friend, which is the $1.50 off of 2, the Vanity Fair napkins. And this is a My Walgreens coupon, so you can use it more than once. Now, this week, the Vanity Fair is $3.79. I think that's just a regular price point, but throwing 4 of them into a cart, it's $15.16, and $3 is melting off with that My Walgreens coupon. Also, you can use this little code WAG10 for an additional $1.22 off. So doing this curbside in comparison to going in store, you're just saving so much more money doing this as a curbside deal. So this is why I would always do these curbside and go and get them quickly so you're not, taking up half the photo counter with all this paper. So the overall total for our Vanity Fair napkins is $15.16, $4.22 melting off, just a little bit of tax, so it's $11.60. If you possibly have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $1.60, and that is not a bad little deal. The final two deals we are in store. Because they're involving register rewards, you actually have to be in store to collect those. Curbside, you can't be awarded these register rewards, but in store you can be. So $6.99 Angel Soft, Brawny, Dixie, Quilted Northern household products, $3 reward when you purchase two. Currently, Angel Soft has a 50-cent digital coupon. So also hang on to your receipt. For a week plus, because if there might be an IBOTTA rebate, you can apply for that, and sometimes Angel Soft has rebates with IBOTTA. Grabbing two of the Angel Softs for $13.98, subtracting one 50-cent digital coupon. Your account might have different coupons than mine, but that's the one I had. You'll pay $13.58, get back a $3 register reward, making it $10.58 for the two. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But I know a lot of us are just trying to stock up on paper, so this isn't a bad one. And if you wanted to do this as part of a $40 basket for spend 40 to earn back 10, this would be like almost $14 towards your basket. You're not using any store coupons, so it won't monkey anything up. It's just a 50-cent digital coupon. So just an alternative deal if that's something you wanted to do. Hey, the final deal that we're looking at, it is for the more expensive P&G paper products. So for this one specifically, it's to buy four to get back a $5 register reward. And what you're going to do is grab an assortment of paper products that's tagged at your store. So you're really going to have to look for those tags and really pay attention. The ones that say $5.49 and then $5 reward when you purchase four. So a Bounty, a Puffs, the Charmin Essentials, and then the Charmin Fancy, either the blue or the blue soft or the red strong, whichever one is your preference. And then there's dollar digital coupons for all four of these products. So please load them so you have $4 coming off in this transaction. So grabbing four of these at $5.49 a unit, that's $21.96. Subtracting the $4 digital coupons off of the Puffs and the Charmin and so on and so forth. That is $17.96 you'll have to pay after the coupons. You're getting back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the four, or $3.24 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but if you were going to do this in a $40 booster, you'd have to do it by Wednesday the 31st. This would be half of your $40 basket, and then for the balance, you'd have to use your debit card. But anyway, you slice the pie, very reasonable deals on paper. I'm so happy Vanity Fair and those little Walgreens travel size, you put in your purse, those little tissues are back, because that is amazing. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.